In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily make $100 per day or more by trading crypto on Bybit. And trading crypto is without any doubts the quickest and easiest way to multiply your capital and make quick gains from anywhere just by using your laptop and a few simple techniques that I'm going to show you in this video. And all you have to do is stick into the instructions that I'm going to share with you very soon and don't let your emotions take control of your trading. And so, if you think you can do that, and if you are ready to change your financial status, then make sure to watch this video till the end, like and subscribe to my channel, and let's dive straight into the content. The first step in order to get started is to create an account on Bybit. It only takes a few seconds to sign up, and if you use my link below this video, you will get thousands of dollars in bonuses, and this is the first big money that you can make. After you sign up, you need to deposit some crypto in order to start trading, and to do that, you need to click on deposit, select the coin that you want to deposit, and then scan the QR code from your mobile wallet or copy and paste this wallet address to your wallet to send some crypto to Bybit and make your first deposit. And if you prefer to deposit fiat, you need to click on Buy Crypto, then Fiat Deposit, select the currency that you want to deposit, then select Easy Bank Payment so that you can send a bank transfer to Bybit and make your first fiat deposit. Once you make your deposit, you are ready to start trading, and we will use TradingView to spot the coins with the most potentials to trade, and all you have to do is search for the patterns that I'm going to show you in this video so that you can wait for a breakout of those patterns and enter a trade. In this example we will trade Bitcoin, but you can choose any altcoin that shows one of the patterns that you will learn in this video. Before I show you the simplest patterns to start trading and make $100 per day, you should know how to enter a trade on Bybit. To do that, you need to click on Derivatives, USDT Perpetual, and select the coin that you want to trade, for example Bitcoin. Once you get to this page, you can select the amount of leverage, for example 10x, and I suggest you keep it below 10x, otherwise it would be too risky. And after you set the amount of leverage, you can select the type of order, for example limit order, and in this case you can set the order price, which is the price at which to enter your trade automatically once we get to that price level. And otherwise we can select market order, and in this case we will enter our trade at the current market price. And for this example we will select market order. After you set the type of order, you can select the order quantity, which is the amount of money that you can use for this trade, and then you just have to click on buy long or sell short depending on what pattern we are trading. So now that you know how to enter a trade, it's time to show you the patterns that you can trade to make $100 per day consistently. And these are the same patterns that I trade every day, and if you are a subscriber, you know that I've been trading for 7 years now, and so I'm the right person to show you how to make a living by trading crypto. And let's begin with the symmetrical triangle. And in order to spot this pattern, you just have to connect the lows and the highs. And as you can see, we formed this symmetrical triangle. And how to trade this pattern? You just have to wait for a breakout, which means you have to wait for a candle to close above this resistance or below this support. And in this case we broke to the upside, and the price target out of this pattern breakout is equal to the height of the triangle, and then we move this line to the breakout point, and this gives us our target at 31,000 US dollars. And guys, with 10x leverage, this was a fantastic 29% profit. Let's now check another pattern, which is the bull flag, and in order to spot this pattern we just have to connect again all the lows and all the highs, and we usually find this pattern at the middle of an uptrend. And in order to measure the price target out of this pattern breakout, we just have to draw the flagpole and then move this line to the breakout point. And as you can see here, this time the target was perfectly met, and you would enter your trade once we have a candle close above this resistance. And guys, this sounds like money to me, because with 10x leverage this was a fantastic 700% profit. The head and shoulders is the last pattern that I'm going to show you today, and is going to be one of the most profitable patterns you will ever trade, so pay attention. How do you spot the head and shoulders? You just have to spot a left shoulder, a head, a right shoulder, and a neckline. And after we form the right shoulder, if we break this support level, which is the neckline, then we enter a trade. And how do you measure the price target? You just have to measure the distance between the highest point of this pattern and the neckline. And then we move this line to the breakout point, and this gives us our target at $38,560. And guys, with 10x leverage, this was a fantastic 250% profit. Remember that it's important to use an amount of leverage that you feel comfortable with, because thanks to the leverage, you can earn money faster, but you can also lose money faster. However, if you stick to the strategy that I showed you today, you don't get emotional and you trade like a robot, you can easily make $100 per day from your laptop with just a couple of hours per day. I must mention that nothing on this video is financial advice, so you can choose to follow this strategy or not. But this is the strategy that I used to build massive wealth in crypto in the last years. And guys, if you want to get the most out of this trading strategy that I showed you today, you should definitely watch my video where I talk about risk management, which will teach you how to calculate risk and avoid big losses when trading. So if you didn't watch that tutorial, you can watch it right there. And don't forget to like this video so that more people can watch it, and subscribe to my channel if you want to learn more about trading. And that being said, I wish you good trading and see you in the next video.